Are you tired of bad hair days ruining your mood? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to help you create an ultimate hair care routine and walk you through each step that will have your locks looking as fabulous as Rapunzel. So let's get started on this journey to hair heaven. Start off with a pre-shower oil massage treatment. This luxurious spa treatment has to be the first and foremost step in caring for your hair. This step is crucial in any hair care routine because the oils act like a superfood for your locks by providing a great amount of nourishment, improving blood circulation, and adding moisture, all that your hair needs to stay healthy. Now, there are a variety of oils to choose from. You may be wondering which one should you use in this step. Well, it all depends on what your hair type and hair goal is. Coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, and rosemary oil are all popular choices, but there are plenty of other options out there too. Do a little research and find the one that's perfect for you. Apply the oil evenly from root to tip. Start by massaging the oil on your scalp for a few minutes before moving on to the strands. After applying the oil, comb out to ensure an even distribution. Don't overdo it. A little bit of oil goes a long way. Start with a small amount and increase as needed. Leave the oil in your hair for at least 30 minutes, or at most overnight for best results, depending on the oil. Wrap your hair in a towel or shower cap to ensure better penetration. Make sure to do this step at least once a week. So, if you want to rock luscious long locks, you better start massaging that oil in. If you want to learn more about which oils are best to use, be sure to check out our previous videos for the best hair oils. We've got a lot more in store, so hit that subscribe button to join our wild ride. Next up, cleanse. After you're done with your oiling treatment, step into the shower and give your hair a good cleanse to wash out the oil and remove all of that gunk of accumulated dirt, dust, excess oil, and product buildup. It will refresh your hair and scalp and leave you with shiny, healthy-looking locks. Start by wetting your hair fully with warm water, which isn't just plain old comforting, but it also helps open up the cuticle and allows the shampoo to penetrate deeply and do its job. Then apply a small amount of your favorite shampoo to your hair. Don't go overboard with the amount, a little goes a long way. Massage the shampoo into your scalp to work up a good lather, and remember to use your fingertips instead of your nails. We want to be gentle with our hair, not rough and tumble like a grizzly bear. Rinse out the shampoo with warm water, which helps to get all of it out so that you don't end up with any residue. Take note that while choosing the perfect shampoo, try to steer clear of all the damaging ingredients. Also, consider your hair type and narrow down your options to find a shampoo that's tailored to your specific needs. For dry and damaged hair, look for a moisturizing and nourishing shampoo. For oily and greasy hair, opt for a clarifying shampoo that will help remove buildup and excess oil. And for normal hair, you can go for a gentle everyday shampoo that's not too heavy or stripping. Also consider any specific hair concerns you may have, such as dandruff, color-treated hair, or a sensitive scalp. For a shampoo to cater to all of these concerns and more, don't be afraid to do a little research and find the perfect match for you. It's best to try to wash your hair with shampoo 1 to 3 times a week depending on your hair. This might seem hard at first, but once your scalp gets used to it, you'll notice a great difference. Next, condition and nourish. The cherry on top of that perfect hair care routine is conditioning. Pro tip: after shampooing, squeeze out any excess water from your hair. This will help the conditioner penetrate your hair more effectively. Then apply a conditioner to the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. This is where your hair tends to be the driest, so it's important to focus on these areas. Use your fingertips or a wide-tooth comb to distribute the conditioner evenly through your hair. Don't rush this step. Take your time and make sure every strand is coated in that silky goodness. Once you've distributed the conditioner evenly, leave it in for a few minutes. This will give it time to penetrate the hair shaft and really moisturize your hair. You can use this time to sing a song, practice your dance moves, or just relax and enjoy the sensation of the conditioner working its magic. Finally, rinse out the conditioner with cool water. This will help to seal the hair cuticle and lock in all that moisture. Take note, while choosing the right conditioner for your locks, consider the one specifically designed for your hair type and concerns. For dry and thirsty hair, look for a conditioner that's rich and nourishing. For oily or flat hair, opt for a lightweight conditioner that won't weigh your hair down. For normal hair, you can go for a balanced conditioner that's not too heavy or too light. And voila! Your hair is now clean and refreshed, making them luscious, bouncy locks. We're on a mission to spread the hair love with as many people as we can. Help us out by hitting that like button. Thanks to you, YouTube will share this video with more people, helping them all. Remember to repair with a hair mask. Now, every now and then our hair could use a little extra TLC. Switching out your regular hair conditioner with hair masks and deep conditioning treatments once a week can work wonders for your hair. Hair masks and deep conditioning treatments go the extra mile with regular conditioners by penetrating deeply into the hair shaft and providing intense hydration and nourishment. They repair damaged hair, prevent breakage, and promote healthy hair growth, making your hair look and feel softer, smoother, and more manageable. Just leave hair masks in a little longer than regular conditioners, usually for 15 to 20 minutes. Let them work their magic before rinsing them out. There are tons of different hair masks on the market, and you can even make your own at home, which means you can find one that's perfect for your specific hair type. If you have dry hair, look for a hydrating mask. If you have damaged hair, look for a repairing or strengthening mask. And if you just want to give your hair some extra love, look for a nourishing mask. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can always try a DIY hair mask using ingredients from your kitchen. Natural hair masks are better because they don't contain any harsh chemicals or artificial ingredients. They can be just as effective, if not more, than store-bought hair masks. The internet is filled with DIY recipes of natural hair masks to repair any kind of hair. Avocado and honey mask is perfect for dry or damaged hair. Coconut oil, honey, and apple cider vinegar are all great options for creating a homemade treatment that will leave your hair feeling silky smooth. Remember to detangle your hair before hopping into the shower to ensure the shampoo, conditioner, and hair masks will coat all your strands. You'll love to give TangleGenie a go. It's an amazing detangler that detangles your hair gently and prevents your hair from heavy damage other detangling methods can cause. Be sure to give it a try for tangle-free and healthy-looking hair. We've also shared a few DIY recipes for hair masks in previous videos. You can check them out by clicking here. Happy hair pampering!